Hi students, welcome to Whichchem YouTube channel. So recently JEE Advanced for the JEE Advanced 2021 it is issued a brochure. Most of you are not aware, and if you are aware also you don't have the courage to read. You don't have courage, or you don't have patience, you don't have the underlined knowledge about the studying the information brochure. Okay, so there are some key points I am going to highlight in this video. So if you are visiting for the first time and not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribe and start with the like button so that I can be motivated to inform you some important information. Even though the information I am going to give you from the JEE Advanced brochure, it is also applicable for the JEE Mains. Some common points are there, that points also I am going to cover. And it is not only for the JEE Mains but also for every institute which takes the admission on the basis of JEE Mains. So let's start with the video. I think all of you have already subscribed my channel and started with the like. So the many people during the application process which was long back, so you might have given a EWS certificate. Okay, so that EWS certificate is not valid now. The whatever you have submitted or not submitted declaration, whatever you have done is not valid now. Why? Because it is now next financial year we are entered into the next financial year. It is clearly specified. Okay, so here it should be on or after 1st April 2021. It is not on so many things I am going to explain in depth about the various certificates you have to produce while JOSA counseling. You may not know the importance of these certificates now, but when they create a problem they are going to be very effective, where they are going to have a bad effect on your career. So try to watch this video till the last, because what information will be useful, what the importance, you will understand later. Okay, so spend some quality time and know the importance of documents required for submitting during the JOSA counseling, but you have to prepare with them right now. Okay, so if you have not submitted or submitted but old EWS certificate, you have the two options. Still now you can give a new declaration. Okay, new declaration, this is the format that I am not able to produce EWS certificate now. It will take time, but I will provide you as and when required during the counseling. Okay, so this is what the format. I will give you the everything in the description box, and kindly follow my blog, which come latest updates blog is there, where I will be updating you all information related to the entrance examination. So you can follow that and you will get the every notification there itself, and YouTube also. And you can contact me on my Telegram group, on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere on the social media which came YouTube channel is available for your service. So here this I think all of you are aware now. April, this if you are not able to provide, then you have to provide this format and sign it and scan it and upload for the next coming examination. The two chances you are going to write in the JEE Mains, for that also it is required. And if you are eligible for advanced, then you will be applying the same thing. Okay, so this is for OBC NCL. This is also time bound. So this is also, if you are submitted before certificate, then you have to renew it, and it should be signed after 1st April. If you are not able to, then also you can give the declaration. So all these forms I am going to give you, but the thing I am going to explain is very important. Okay, format for the PWD, person with disability, and compensatory time. Some PWD candidates require extra time. This is for the scribe, those who are not able to see, want help to somebody to write on behalf of him. And education scholarship, this is for the armed forces personnel. So for them this is the format required. All pro formas are given, only this pro forma will be accepted, otherwise it will be nullified and you will be having a problem during the JOSA counseling. And all JOSA counseling videos also last year I have done, and this year also I am planning to do. So for that I want encouragement from all the student community by by informing about our channel to all your classmates. Okay, so this is disability psycho education, and these are all the things which are applicable for the PWD under person with disability under different categories. Okay, coming to the most important one is related to the, this is also medical authority. Okay, now this is the format you have to, if you already submitted, and this is not a time bound. SC/ST's certificates are not time bound. You need not to renew it, but make sure that all information they are asking here must be available in the certificate you have mentioned. This is for the ST candidates, and these are the some relevant annexures. Okay, as every day, every year, the cash sum will be included in the NCL, some will be deleted from the NCL. Okay, so these are the SC and ST certificates. Okay, so these are the certificates. Kindly download this from the link given in the description box, and whatever the doubts you have about the annexure of certificate formats, you can ask me in the blog itself, or you can ask me in the comment section, and you can join my telegram group for updating and also guiding you in the subject matter also, so especially for the chemistry part. Okay, so this is about the annexure. I think next video, what type of video you want from me in the advanced level. Okay, so already I have some special advanced category, how to manipulate with, the time in the multis answering questions, and how to utilize the time and accuracy for the numerical answer type, how to go for the matrix match. So different variety of exam pattern questions, different way strategy you have to adopt. So how to manage all of them, that special videos are there, that description link also, that video links also I will be giving you in the description. So finally, after this video you should not miss to watch the description, so that all information will be given to you and they are all will be relevant. I think you will be going through that, and subscribe my channel, and next video I am planning as per your comments, as per your requirements. Thank you and see you. Bye bye. All the best wishes for joining NITs, joining IITs, or joining any reputed colleges. Thank you. Bye bye.